Started.
Okay, friends, I'm Dr. Heena, and today for scholarship grade 4, we are learning the subject English, in which our today's topic is we have to form shorter words from one long word. Okay, you all had gone through this exercise before in your school uh, uh, syllabus, where one long word is given to you. We have to use the letters from that long word, and we have to use each letter only single time. We should not repeat that letter, and we have to form the number of words which get formed from those letters which are there in the long word. If any letter is repeated in the long word, we can repeat it in the short word too. So one example is given here. Repeated is the long word, and they had formed so many words from that, like repeat, deep, peat, tree, drape, etc. So like this we have to form the shorter words from the long word. Now see, very first problem in the practice exercise is we have to pick up the word which cannot be formed from the given long word. Now see, aspire is the given long word. Now the options are ripe, reap, pear and part. If you look carefully, ripe, there is RIPE, the letter used, which are there in the aspire. Reap also formed by the same letters which are there in the aspire. But if you look carefully in part, there is a letter T which is not there in the aspire word. So the word which is not formed is the word part. So option number 4 is the correct option here. Okay. Now the next one. Recipe is a given word, and we have to find which word is not formed from the letters there in the recipe. Now see, RIPE, ripe, is the first option. RIPE, all the letters are there in the word recipe. Now PER, pear. So PE two times, yes, it is there in the recipe. So this word is also formed. Now we will move to praise. PRAISE. Now see, S is also not there in the word recipe, and A is also not there in the word recipe. So your option is praise, option number 3, which is not formed from the letters in the word recipe. Like this, you can solve third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth question for your homework. It is very easy. You have to just find out which word is not formed from the letters given in the big word or the large word. Now the next question in the practice exercise is where you have to form 3-letter words from the given long word. Now see, stem is the first word given to you. We have to form the 3-letter words from it. So we can form like SET, set, MET, met. Okay. Now I am not getting any further words from this stem, because TES, TES has no meaning, TEM, TEM also has no meaning, MES, S or SEM also has no meaning. So meaningful, how many words we can form from the given word, and which should be 3-letter, are 2 in number. So my answer is option number 2. Now like this you can do for the word band and pine. Ban and, okay, dab, bad. So many words can be formed. How many words you can form? You have to calculate, and you have to choose the correct option. And also from the pine also you have to form the words. So this too is for your homework, because as much as you will solve and you will try to solve the question, it will give you the marks. Okay. Now the next exercise is in which word are made from the letters in the given words. We have to identify again. Now, in the first exercise, we had click the word which is not formed. Now, here we have to identify the word which is formed from the given word. So, combine is the given word to you, and you have to find which correct word is formed from the letters given in this combined word. So, boom, in the boom, O is used twice, but in the combined O is not there two times, so boom cannot be formed. More, in more they had used letter R, which is not there in combined, so this also should not be the option. Bounce, if you look carefully, in the bounce there is a letter U which is not there in combined word. If we look comb carefully, yes, comb is there in the combined. So your correct option is option number 4. Now abstract is the given word to you. If you look carefully, you will find which is the word formed from this abstract. So beer, again E is used which is not there in abstract. Race, again E is used which is not there in the abstract. Trace also has letter E which is not there in the abstract. So the correct answer is cast only, which is formed from the word abstract. Again this third, fourth and fifth you try at home because it is very easy. I don't want to waste my time here. Okay. Now some words um, we have to identify in the next exercise, which is based on the correct spelling of those words, correctly spelled words. Okay, in this type of exercise you are required to identify the correct spelling of the words. Okay, and select the wrongly spelled words. So many words are given here: accept, access, accident, accommodation, accompany, accomplish, accumulate, achieve, which are the list of words are given here. Okay, and now in the practice exercise we have to identify the correct spelling of the word. In the very first problem, find the word with correct spelling. We have to identify. So thoda sa blurred hai, just understand. Autobiography is the given word. This is the spelling: biography. So the correct spelling of autobiography is AUTOBIO, bio, and then GRAPHY. Now here O is missing. Now if you look carefully here, instead of P, F is used. So this is not the answer. This is also not the answer. AUTO is not used here. So this is also not the answer. So correct spelling which I had written is shown in the option number 4. So the correct answer is option number 4. Now the next word is people, and you all know what is the spelling of people: PEOPLE. Now identify where the correct spelling of people is given to you. So option number 2 is the correct option for the people spelling. Okay. Now the combination commission is the given word. We can identify which is the correct spelling. Then carnal is the given word, beginning is the given word. So these all are for your homework. Okay, try at home which is the correct one. If you have your good vocabulary list, or you daily you talk in English, you practice English, then you can easily find out which is the correct spelling of the word. Find a wrongly spelled word. Now we have to find a wrongly spelled word. So see, the given option is treasure, TREASURE. Yes, it is the correct spelling. Leisure, I think it is a wrong because LESURE is a laser. So this is not the correct spelling. MEASURE, major, again correct. PLEASURE, pleasure, again the correct spelling is there. So the option number 2, leisure, is the option where the spelling is written wrongly. Q, clue, Q, few are the given words. Now which is wrongly spelled, we have to identify. So QUEUEQ means रांग लावणं in Marathi. So to stand in a row for or waiting for something and standing in the row. Okay. CLUE, clue means uh, clue, or we can say na, give me the clue, then I will crack the sum. So clue is again a meaningful word. QUEQ is also a meaningful word, but FUE, few, has no meaning. Okay, so here the correct answer is FU, FUE, few. Okay, which is wrongly spelled, because the spelling of few is FEW. So that's why the few is the wrong spelled word. Now Wednesday, Saturday, Monday, Sunday, the days of the weeks ka spelling you all know very well. So here wrong spelling is of Saturday only. Okay. So option number 2 is the answer for your question given. Now fourth and fifth you try at home. Now we'll move to the next sum. The bride had made an excellent dash dash for her wedding. The given words are arrangements, arrangements, arrangement. We have to identify the correct spelling of arrangement. So ARRANGEMENTS, arrangements is the correct spelling. So option number 1 only is the answer. The little boy was extremely mischievous. Mischievous correct spelling is MICHEIVOUS or MICHIEFOUS, MICHIEVOUS. What is the correct one? So MIS, Miss, CHIEVOUS is the correct spelling. So your given option, the correct spelling for mischievous is option number 3. Okay, because VIOUS should not be there, VOUS should be there. And the last one you try at home. So this is a very simple 2 topics where we have to identify the correctly spelled word in the last topic, and in the first topic we have seen that we can made shorter words or so many short words from the given long word using the same letter as given in the long words. We do not have to repeat the letter. If any letter is repeated in the long word, then we can repeat it in the shorter words. So practice at home more and more. Sum you solve. Till then, goodbye.